Good morning, students. Today we have determined the value of unknown involved in the quadratic equation. With the help of nature of roots. So in this case, any equations are just like this: 2x square minus 10x plus k is equal to 0. In this question it is given that find the value of k for which the equation have real and equal root. So we know that when roots are given, equation have real and equal root. So in this case discriminant is equal to 0. We have also discussed about this in previous video. The value of d belongs to the three conditions. In first case, when d is equal to 0, second condition d is greater than 0, and third condition d is less than 0. When d is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. But when d is equals to 0, then roots are real and equal. But when d is less than 0, then roots are not defined condition, are not real case. So in this case we have written not defined. So here is given the question, given equation have real and equal roots, then find the value of k. So firstly we have obtained the value of ABC. The value of a is 2, b is minus 10 and c is k. So we know that b is equal to b square minus 4ac, and according to this equation we have obtained d is equal to 0. The value of d is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b square means minus 10 whole square minus 4 into a value of a is 2 and c is k is equal to 0. 10 square is 100 is equal to 4 to the 8k. Then k is equal to 100 upon 8. 4 to the 8, 4 25 the 100. So value of k is 25 upon 2. Its value is obtained. Just like this type of question you have easily solved with the help of this condition. When the value of equation or roots of equation are real and equal, then we have put d is equal to 0. Value of d is equal to b square minus 4ac. The value of a, b, c is obtained with the help of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. In this case we have obtained value of a is 2, b is minus 10 and c is k. So put these values and the value of k is obtained. Just like this, many questions should be obtained with the help of this type of condition. Okay. Let's see another question, which are in this case we have obtained new condition just like this. The question is k minus 12 x square plus 2 in bracket k minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this case also say that the equation has equal roots. So right here, given equation have equal root. So discriminant d is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Obtain the value of a. A is equal to k minus 12, b is equal to 2 in bracket k minus 12 and c is equal to 2. Obtain it. d is equal to b square minus 4ac according to 1. From first, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Put this value 2 in bracket k minus 12 whole square minus 4ac. Put value a and c. Value of a k minus 12 and value of c is 2 is equal to 0. In this case, k minus 12 is common in both and 2 to the 4. Then 4 k minus 12 is getting common. Remain k minus 12 in one bracket minus here is 2 is equal to 0. So 4 is going outward side, is equals to 0. K minus 12 is equal to 0 or k minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. So it written as k is equal to 12 or k is equal to 14. There is two value of k. So in this case we have put k is equal to 12 or k is equal to 14, then equation have equal roots. Okay, and this type of question you have easily solved with the help of n. Another case, b is greater than 0 less than 0 is also used in this case, but in less than condition is not used by you because it is the higher classes condition. Okay, so you have only question on the basis of equal roots and real and unequal roots. Okay, good day.